instrument in the Vedic system. Mind is an instrument. It's called Antahakaran. It's the inner instrument. So the light that falls on this mind is able to access only one of the many hues that are a part of this light. Okay? And therefore, what happens is very similar to what happens in quantum mechanics. Now, I know that you are not a physicist, but in quantum mechanics, there are two basic aspects of quantum mechanics. And I'm going to teach you quantum mechanics in just 1 minute. One aspect of quantum mechanics is that when you interact with the quantum state, there is a collapse. You can access only one of the many different possibilities that are a part of the quantum state. Okay, and this is what I mentioned is already a part of, say, Vaisheshika Sutra or part of Indian physics. The second part of quantum mechanics, which according to the creator of quantum mechanics, Erwin Schrödinger, inspired him to create quantum mechanics, on which are based chemistry, physics, integrated circuits. Everything is based on quantum mechanics. The second part of quantum mechanics is that, and Schrödinger says, the Mahavakya, I am Atma Brahma, gave him the clue. This is about 100 years ago. I am Atma Brahma means that this Atman is the entire cosmos. And from that, Schrödinger took the idea that the quantum state should be a superposition of all possibilities. But when you interact with the quantum state, you get access to only one of those, and that's called the collapse of the wave functions. And both of these things are a part of the most ancient Indian physics or ancient thinking. So ancient Indian thinking looked at in a most subtle way both the physical universe, biological universe. There was also this idea, of course, in the Puranas, that there are a total of 8.4 million, 84 lakh yonis, 8.4 million yonis or species, and current estimates do seem to be consistent with that. In fact, I've come across papers which say that there are about 8 to 10 million or 12 million different species on Earth. So now you might say, isn't this bizarre? How could a person have thought of it? And that's where the central idea of the Vedas, which is not generally understood, is that of this equivalence between the Pinda and the Brahmanda, the cell and the cosmos, that we are able to make sense of this universe because consciousness already has the capacity to make sense of the universe. You see that? It's a very subtle idea, but it's an amazing, extraordinary idea.